trouble is addictive by design. We are ultra flabby and in decline. FDA endorses poisons for your kids, starting with serial killers in their cribs. Seagulls are no heart healthy choice. It was made to lube motors in Detroit. Food additives attack your organs and your brain, causing hyperinflammation, disease, and migraines. Sugar is your enemy, you must eliminate. That's where type 2 diseases originate. Fluoride, chloride, and aluminum have options, but your liver is suffering from digesting toxins. Where do all those poisons go? What's the impact? Do you wanna know? How many chemicals impact your brain? Hormone disruption from GMO grains. Big Pharma wants us sick to buy the pills. Big food hides poisons that make us ill.